What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to view your system information in Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. To view system information in Windows 11, simply open up your Start menu and search for System Information. Click on the System Information app icon. The System Information window will appear. Here, on the right-hand panel, you can view your system information such as your processor information, Windows version, system name, the system type, meaning if it's 64 or 32 based, and so on. On the left-hand panel, you can further expand the hardware resources, components, and software information options to view more in-depth information of your system. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.